How to remove Snapchat filter from a photo. Now all you have to do is just access your Snapchat account first. Now once you pull up your Snapchat, make sure that you're currently logged into your account. Now the other thing that we can do is just pull up or access the photo that you would like the specific filter to be removed. Now this photo right here has an existing filter, so all you have to do to remove the filter is just to press this arrow pointing down right here. Now if you scroll your screen all the way to the left or right, should be able to access the specific filters. Now for you to remove it, you just have to choose on this filter right here that doesn't have a filter in it, and then export the photo. Tap on export. You can choose to share this via WhatsApp, via Instagram, or any other platforms that you have downloaded on your cell phone. And then all you have to do next is just tap on download, and it will automatically download and export by itself. So that's it. That's how you remove filters on Snapchat from a photo.